Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Your Sanila ma'am is back. In today's class, in today's video, in computer, we are going to start a new lesson. That is lesson 5 keyboard. ठीक है, अब तक हम लोग ने एक्सरसाइज कर लिया है, एक्टिविटी टाइम्स उसमें कर ली है, बस उसमें लैब एक्टिविटी बचा है जो हम स्कूल आने के बाद करेंगे. सो एज सुन एज पॉसिबल वी विल बी कॉलिंग यू टू द स्कूल. जैसे ही आप लोग स्कूल आओगे आपके सारे लैब एक्टिविटीज हम परफॉर्म करेंगे. ठीक है, इसके अलावा मैंने होमवर्क दिया था आप लोगों को कि जिसमें जो रीडिंग पार्ट दिया हुआ है वो आपका होमवर्क है. आप खुद से रीड करोगे और उसमें से जो भी डाउट्स है देन आप मुझसे क्लियर करोगे. ठीक है. इन in this lesson that is keyboard we are going to study more about keyboard and its keys. हमने अभी तक पढ़ा था कि कीबोर्ड एक पार्ट होता है हमारे कंप्यूटर का, हम उसे यूज करते हैं टाइप करने के लिए एंड सो ऑन. बट नाउ इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस मोर अबाउट कीबोर्ड. ठीक है. So I will write down the heading here. The lesson name is Lesson 5 Keyboard. Lesson 5 कीबोर्ड. ठीक है, तो हम इस लेसन में कीबोर्ड के बारे में और कीबोर्ड में जितने कीज हैं उन सब के बारे में पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. ठीक है, सो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू अ शॉर्ट वीडियो ऑन द टॉपिक कीबोर्ड. ओके, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड.
Pico, look at this keyboard. It got so many keys on it. What are all these keys used for?
I will definitely explain about the different keys in the keyboard. But first, tell me for what purpose is a keyboard used for in a computer?
Well, we use the keyboard to type numbers, words, and symbols on the computer.
Correct. You see, a keyboard has 6 different types of keys on it.
What are they, Pico?
They are the number keys, arrow keys, alphabet keys, special character keys, function keys, and special keys.
Tell me more about them.
Sure. Let's begin with the number key. The number keys are also called numeric keys. There are total 10 numeric keys from 0 to 9. There are a total of 2 sets of numeric keys on the keyboard. The first set are on the top row of the keyboard and the second is present on the number pad of the keyboard. All the number keys have special characters or symbols printed on them.
Why, Pico?
Because these same keys are also used for other purposes.
These four at the bottom are the arrow keys, aren't they, Pico?
Yes, these are the arrow keys. The arrow keys are also called cursor, control keys. These keys are used to move the cursor up, down, left or right.
Which arrow key is used to move the cursor up?
Yes, look at the keys. This key moves the cursor up. This key moves the cursor down. This key moves the cursor to the left. And this key moves the cursor to the right. Rennie, do you know how many alphabets are there in English from A to Z?
I think there are 26 alphabets in English.
You are right, Rennie. As there are 26 alphabets in English, so there are 26 alphabet keys in the keyboard. The alphabet keys are used to write letters or paragraphs in the computer. Look at these keys. They have special signs or symbols on them.
How can we use these keys, Pico? As there are also numbers on them.
Very good question, Rennie. To use these special symbols, keys, we have to press the shift key and the number key with that symbol together.
What are these keys on the very top row of the keyboard?
They are function keys. These keys are used to perform special tasks. There are a total of 12 function keys on the keyboard from F1 to F12. All function keys are used to perform a different function on the computer. I can tell you about F1. It is used for help.
What are the special keys used for?
The special keys are used to perform special and unique functions.
What are the special keys on the keyboard?
Look at the keyboard. The caps lock, num lock, enter, shift, alt, delete, tab, escape, backspace, and the space bar. Key are the special keys.
What are each of the keys used for?
The caps lock key is used to type letters in the uppercase or in capitals. So press this key.
Hey, I pressed the caps lock key and a light glows in the keyboard.
Yes, it means the caps lock key is on. If this key is on, then any letter you type will appear in capitals on the screen. If you wish to type again in small letters, then press the caps lock key again to turn it off. Similarly, when the num lock key is turned off, the number present on the numeric pad starts working.
What is the space bar key used for, Clicker?
The space bar key is used to move the cursor one space forward. You can see that it is the longest key in the keyboard. Look at this key. It is the backspace key. It is used to erase the wrongly typed characters. In case you make an error while typing, you can use this key to delete the characters of letters to the left of the cursor.
What is the delete key used for, Clicker?
This key is similar in the function to the backspace key. Using this key, you can delete a wrong character and replace it with the correct one. The difference between the delete key and the backspace key is that the delete key erases the character on which the cursor is placed.
What are the enter keys used for? There seems to be two of them in the keyboard.
The enter key is used to move the cursor to the start of the next line. You can use either of the enter keys to move to the next line while you type. Now, I hope you will remember about the different types of keys on the keyboard, Renee.
Definitely, Clicker. Thank you for your help.
So welcome back. आई होप आप लोग को अब समझ में आ गया होगा कि कीबोर्ड में कितनी सारी कीज होती है और सारी कीज के अलग अलग फंक्शंस होते हैं. अब इसमें आप लोग को कुछ डाउट होगा कि मैम आपने इसमें कुछ और टॉपिक्स भी पढ़ाए लाइक शिफ्ट की वगैरह आपको नहीं है आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में, बट फिर भी मैम ने जस्ट एज अ इंट्रोडक्शन मैम ने आपको बता दिया है ना. फंक्शन कीज ये सारी कीज न्यू है आपके लिए, लेकिन फिर भी मैंने जस्ट एज अ ओरल पार्ट मैंने आपको जस्ट आपके दिमाग में डालने के लिए कि आपकी बुक में जो कीज थी इनके अलावा भी कीज होती हैं बुक में. सो जस्ट एन इंट्रोडक्शन फॉर द टॉपिक कीबोर्ड. लेटर वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग मोर अबाउट दिस. ठीक है, हम ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में इस चीज़ के बारे में और डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है, तो अभी फिलहाल कीबोर्ड के बारे में सिर्फ इतना ही. we'll be studying more about this in our online classes. Okay, so do watch this video carefully and try to read the lesson by yourself at least 2 to 3 times. Okay, good day everyone.